Hello friends, a very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. In this video, I'm going to discuss about my Google Sheet scanner and weekly update. So we have a weekly and monthly positional scanner in directly a stock option. So based on our advanced option strategy, and we have an intraday scanner based on the Camarilla R4 breakout. So we find a lot of opportunities last week in the August first week. So Granulus, Colpol, Asian Paint are those stocks which given a call side breakout. And some of the stocks like BSoft, MPSs and Asian Motor that was given in the put side breakout. And that gives you such a good move. And last Friday, so we have a 300 points down. So some of the call which already triggered, now it is moving lower. So mainly this weekly positional is to find out one or two weekly trade opportunities. I think 5 days holding. So from Monday to Friday. So if I'm just going to take a trade positional basis and maybe Monday and Tuesday, that should be a new opportunities, and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, if you get an opportunity that you can use as an intraday one. So if you are seeing some of the stocks like BSoft, so Monday, this is what a weekly trade, but when did us trigger the particular strike price 730 put option in this side. So our entry point somewhere around 55 on weekly basis. So it is triggered somewhere around here on 31st July. Okay, so the last week it started from 29th to 2nd February, 2nd of August. So this is triggers on Wednesday. So maybe we have a next 2 more days holding period. So here is an opportunity around 55. So maybe we know how to we keep a stop loss or how we can apply here as an hedging strategy that in strategies courses we are learned. And this is an entry point and it was moving higher, and this is a valid entry and doesn't trigger our entry point in the first candle, and also it is triggered nearby 2:15 to 3 o'clock, sorry, 2:30 candle, and after that it was keep on rising and it moves almost 83. And some stocks like ACC 2640, let me check how when it is given you the opportunity. So this is what an opportunity, our entry point is somewhere around 187. So 187 that was happening on 2nd August, that is a Friday, and also it is a low liquidity, and you can see Friday it has started trading on 230 only. So it is an invalid trade and also not a good option. So iShare Motor 5000, so 5000 put option. So we have to manually filter iShare Motor 5000 put option, and look at this an entry point 332. The 332 may be triggered in this particular day, and the high is 300. So maybe here only it is triggered around 11:45, but after that it moves 385. So almost 50 points moved from our entry. But this is an trade which is triggers on Friday, so we don't have a further days to hold it, because our Google Sheet is going to be updated on every weekend or maybe in the Monday. So the weekly positional. So weekly position is simply for from Monday to Friday. So in this case, we may be use this as a trade and as a intraday opportunities. Okay, and granular is 565. So Monday, Tuesday, if you have triggered an opportunity, that would be a great one for positional holding. So granular is 45.8, and this is also be not a valid trade, and it may be triggered 31st July 45, and it doesn't give you the opportunity. It is gap up opening. So from this list, we have to find so one or two opportunity that would be great, and I think Bandhan Bank 192.5. So let me check this call option. Maybe it is triggered on that particular day. So 29th July, because our Google that sheet is started from Monday 29th July. Our entry point is 17.3 and the high made is 20, but the first candle. So maybe we should ignore, and if it has came down to the retracement level, we can try for an opportunity. And this one is gives you 29. So that is a good moment. So like that, we have to find out the stock, and for a weekly positional Monday, Tuesday, it should be a good opportunity where you can use as a weekly positional, and same like that monthly positional is monthly once. We have already updated, and last video we discussed about some stock which triggers our entry point in a put side, but still the month is started within 2 days gone. So maybe newer opportunity we will be easily finding out based on the concept, and maybe some of the opportunities is going to trigger because we have already selected some 15 stocks. So that is also we can look for an opportunity. So let me track this on a monthly. And intraday, you know very well, it is purely by intraday and based on the Camarilla R4. And recently we have some calls also triggered, but mostly put and due to huge gap. So many stock which opened by the gap up in a put side. So many stock which triggers in the first candle, but we have to try to find a stock which is going to give you a new breakout. So only few stocks which given you the new breakout yesterday, that is also works well. Okay, so now the weekly sheet is going to be updated and also intraday sheet is going to be updated. So weekly, so from this week for 5th to 9th, from 5th of Monday to 9th of Friday. So we will be updating the Google Sheet and this will be still remain same for the strike price and entry price for this weekly basis till the weekend. Okay, so let me try to update and also we have one more thing which we have done. It's directly we to find out the stock which forming a, such a pattern like a inside Camarilla in particular equity stocks. Okay, let me try to check this update. And weekly, I'm just updating the weekly sheet and it is going to be updated. And once it is done, then we will be using this for next week. Okay. So if you want to access this Google Sheet, you can just ping me on the WhatsApp number which shown on this video to get more about the sheet. Okay, just a moment. Try to update the sheet. Weekly and monthly is working based on the positional concept and intraday is based on the Camarilla R4 level. Okay, so here Sun TV may be not a liquid one. Why Sun TV is not a liquid one? Let me check Sun TV price. 893 Sun TV. But here showing 820. Let me check this one. So almost updated now. So for a weekly, so maybe if this strike price is showing you some different value, so we can fix it out and it will be cleared away tomorrow. So you will be going to get a weekly update. And monthly is still remaining same and we finding that opportunities on monthly positional. And also we are looking for an intraday. So what happening in intraday? Intraday, why it's showing still the values? Intraday, just we'll wait and check intraday data. So let me check this and I will update you soon. Thank you.